need more.
Dude, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah. That's... No, get one good one. Come on. On video. Alright.
You're like little...
I gotta select the good ones. Alright, hang on. Right, make it big, make it crazy. This one's gonna be huge, right? There you go. Both hands. Wait, should I? No. No.
No way. No way.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Alright, here we go. You ready? Start it. Alright. It's good to do this to get started with.
Woo!
Yes! Oh, yes! Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
Oh yeah! Dude, that's a blizzard. Whoa!
That's no good.
Oh, better shut the door.
Keep it going, baby.
Woo!
Woo! Winter Wonderland, it's Christmas, guys. This is Christmas in San Diego.
Dude, it just stays in the air. It's like it's sucking it into like the middle right there.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, get it in here. Set it up.
Holy crap.
Oh, no! No way! Oh, yes!
Oh, oh, it's great, dude.
No way!
Oh, dude.
Get it all, get it all!
Dude, I think it's just like...
Put it over everything. You realize this is never gonna come out of there, right?
No, it'll eventually get out of there.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Don't even worry about
Just let it go for a while. Yeah. Dude.
Put it over everything, dude.
Dude, look at all this stuff in there.
Don't put it on the ground, you're going everywhere. Where's Ellie? What just happened?
What just happened? Didn't you turn it off?
Oh, there we go. Whatever, dude.
Woo!
Woo! Snowing in our roof. It's snowing in La Jolla tonight, guys.
Look at that. Woo! We should just leave it like this. It's like festive. It's like decoration. It's getting cold in here. It's like decoration.
Absolutely fucking everywhere.
Look at it.